Hi everyone, I'm Razman, your librarian. In this video, you will learn on how to retrieve articles through Ebsco Discovery Service search engine. It works like a regular search engine. Just type your keywords. But unlike free websites, EDS gives you access to full text and peer-reviewed articles. It is subscribed by IMU University Library, so be sure to make full use of it.
First, open your browser and go to IMU University Library portal. On the home page, click the login button at the top right. Next, select login via IMU University email and sign in with your IMU University credentials. If this is your first time, you will need to enter your IMU University email to verify access. After you logged in, you will see your name at the top right of the page. You can start searching right away using one-stop search engine via EDS search box. Just type any keyword. Or, let's go directly to the EDS homepage. From the library portal, click Search Engines. Then, choose EDS Search for subscribed e-resources. Don't type anything yet. Just click Search. And it will bring you to the EDS search page. Type your keywords. Then, pick a suggestion. And then, click Search. Click All Filters to explore or change other filter options. Here, you can refine your results by selecting options like peer-reviewed, publication date, content provider, source types, and more, depending on what you need. For a more targeted search, click Advanced Search. This gives you multiple fields and options to fine-tune your results. For each keyword, you can select a specific citation field from the All Fields drop-down. Example, choose abstract if you want to search the keyword only within abstracts. Repeat the same steps for the second and third keywords if needed. Between each search box, use the boolean operator drop-down to combine your keywords with and or not. The default is and. Click Add Fields to include more search boxes. Under Filters, apply any desired limiters to your search. For example, you can limit results to full text only and set a custom date range. To set a custom date range, choose Custom Range and pick your start and the end dates. Other available filters may include author, title, publication, etc. Once you are ready, click Search and your refined results will appear. For a personalized experience, sign in to your Ebsco account. This lets you save articles, organize them into projects, and access them later in My Dashboard. If you do not have an account yet, just click the icon at the top and select Create an Account. It is quick and easy. Once signed in, you can manage up to 50 items at a time using the checkboxes. Then, choose to save or add them to a project, email, copy, or export citations. Okay, let's say you want to read an article from the results list. Click on any article title to view its detailed record. When the detailed record is displayed, it may also include a summary or an abstract. When full text is available, you will see options for PDF and online full text from the Access option menu. PDF articles will be opened in the PDF viewer, where you can navigate using the arrows or jump to a specific page by entering the page number. Useful tools are available at the top. When the PDF view is displayed, you can also return to the detail record by clicking on the back arrow. This is the online full text view, selected from the access options. Navigate the article content by scrolling through the page in your web browser. Just like the PDF view, tools are available at the top right of the viewer.
And that's how you retrieve articles using EDS search engine. Happy searching!